Have you ever experienced the urgent need to use screencasting but had to spend time waiting to download the software? Have you experienced the trouble of casting screen in different network states or cross different system devices? Cast to browser now. AirDroid Cast Web is a most fast and easy solution to give you be capable mirroring screen anytime anywhere. What are the advantages of AirDroid Cast Web? With web version, the receiver can cast without downloading, reducing the burden of storage on the device as well as saving time. It also provides greater privacy and security of information. No more worrying about system limitations between iOS and Android device. You can mirror screens across systems as you like. Webcasting can works well for the local and remote networks. You can mirror your screen with high image and audio quality and a low latency screen in real time to share your project plans with your colleagues in a room and on the go. Having class with students everywhere. Playing streaming game with friends together. Or watch videos on a bigger screen. Of course, no matter where you are. AirDroid Cast Web is dedicated to providing you with a more convenient way to mirror your screen. Get started with AirDroid Cast Web to start your screencasting journey now.